guys, it's Shay. I am back with another video. This is a Hush haul. I ordered this like months ago, you guys, and I've been meaning to do this. So, I got my box of Hush. You can see it. Oh, this is the wrong way. Hush haul. Hopefully you guys can see it. There you go, Hush. I bought this a while ago. It was a big sale going on, and your girl got a few things. Instagram. First thing, before we get into this video, I need y'all to subscribe, okay? Hit that subscribe button. Don't be scared, hit it. Just hit it for your girl, hit it, okay? Hit the like button, give me a thumbs up, y'all, and comment. Like I said, I am open to anything that any of my guys and girls have to say, or whatever you would like to see me do. I'm trying to get more into hair. I'm actually thinking about doing that, trying to figure out what kind of video I want to do, but let me know what you want to see, what more you want to know about me. I'm an open book. Leave any questions you have, any suggestions, let your girl know, leave it at the bottom, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, y'all, so y'all can get those updates. Y'all can be notified when your girl comes up with something new and you can see it first, okay? This is something I'm trying to keep up for y'all, for my I'm gonna call Shay Gang, okay? Because everybody has their own little gang, so we're gonna call this Shay Gang, okay? Or Moolah Gang, Shay Moolah Gang, whatever y'all want to call it. Let's start our own gang, hashtag gang, okay? But please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, whatever you feel as though. But don't forget to come on, your girl needs support, all right? So let's get started on this Hush haul. Okay, so I got a few things that I am very excited about that I got from Hush. I've heard about Hush for a while, and I was meaning to buy stuff from them or whatever and check them out. I actually downloaded their app, which is really awesome, and it was a sale, so your girl was like, oh, okay. It was a good sale. So I got this palette. You guys can see it. It's called Aura Bad Habit. And oh my god, like, I've already opened these things, but I've never used them. So look at these colors, you guys. I'm hoping that you guys can see it. Hopefully you can see it. Look at those colors. Are y'all seeing it? Like, this is beautiful. Like, oh my god. So I cannot wait to try these things. I've watched other YouTubers do reviews and everything, and of course you're gonna compare it. I've seen a lot of comparisons to name brand, high end, and I'm gonna say Hush Bad Habit. Y'all been doing your thing. Like, y'all been giving some of these companies a run for their money. So I don't know, but I am excited to try this. Sorry if my camera is like going in and out on focus. Your girl is getting ready to get a camera very soon. I actually found the camera that I want. It costs a couple of dollars, but I'm on my way to getting it. I'm still using my cell phone, so bear with me, y'all. I am trying. I done lost my mic. I just had to buy a new mic, waiting for it to come from Amazon. I don't know where. I never lose things, so don't know where. So it's kind of quiet now because everybody's asleep. So back to this palette, okay? Let me try to do some swatches. So I'm going to take this color Ecstasy right here, and I'm gonna try to swatch it and see what's going on. Oh, y'all, look at this. I'm hoping y'all can see this. Child, look at that. Do y'all see that? Okay, y'all is really bringing it. I mean, you can definitely tell. Like, wait, I swatched it out a little bit more. I'm hoping. Oops, sorry. I'm hoping. Do y'all see that? I'm trying to. All right, now, Aura Bad Habit. Let's try another one. Okay, I'm gonna try Destiny. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yes, Destiny. Let's see what Destiny got to offer, okay? Child. They bringing it. They bringing. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? I don't know. I don't know. And I love the fact that palettes have mirrors. Like, come on. Like, I think every palette should have a freaking mirror with it. Like, come on. Why would you not want a palette with a mirror? Like, so your girl could look at, say, oh, okay, wait, this is how it is. I'm already like looking at this another palette, Amazonia. I think I'm saying it right. Okay. It says, yeah, Amazonia. So I have messed around in this just to see the colors, but check this out. I'm hoping you guys can see it. I'm gonna try to get close. Do y'all see those colors? So I'm gonna try to swatch this one. So let's try to swatch Dangerous right here. Dangerous. Let's try to swatch that. God, my fingers are gonna be. You did too much. Ooh, I like that. It's like a plum. I'm liking it. That's nice. This is some of the colors, and I like the name of some of the colors, like Orchid, Starbeam, Morty Mist. What's another? Water Lily. I like that, and this is like a green. Water Lily. This is nice. I like that. Sunbeam. This is like really like Sunbeam is nice. Passion fruit. Amazonia, you guys. Like I said, beautiful packaging, beautiful presentation. I love this Amazonia, and it's supposed to be like the trees and stuff. I love this, and actually the colors do remind me of like a, you know, like a jungle kind of look, you know, colors like giving me like tree vibes and, you know, kind of flower vibes. That's actually I'm liking the presentation. So palette 3 is Sahara. I like this. I actually like this, the design. I love it. So another one. I've actually, I don't know if by accident I did something when I dropped this, but I love this. Sorry you guys. Get these colors. I have messed with that one right there because I was so in love with it. I love dark colors. Theme of it. I'm liking this Gazelle Desert Sun. Ooh, this is hot. Desert Sun. That's hot. Sand Viper. Desert Lily. I love this pink. Do you guys see this? Ooh. I gotta try this. Ooh, Dusted. Let's see what Dusted is about. So let's try my other hand. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so nice. Do you guys see that? Oh, it's sexy. Let's try Desert Sun. Let's see what the Desert Sun is about. And this, ooh. Wait, let me try to get a good angle. Do y'all see Desert Sun? Oh my god, y'all is coming for these. Y'all coming for these people, okay? Y'all coming for them. Y'all didn't play. Y'all didn't come to play. Sahara, okay? This is Hush is coming at y'all. Y'all gotta get it together. I haven't even tried this stuff on my eyelids yet, but it's just on my skin and I'm tripping. Like, I think this is the last Athena Bad Habit. This is the last palette that I got. I don't even remember looking at this. Is an 18 color eyeshadow palette. I definitely didn't mess with this one because this is completely, ooh. This is giving me like Huda Beauty vibes, like the desert, her desert palette. This is what it's giving me. Oh my god, I'm trying to get the focus in. Do y'all see that? What y'all think about this? I mean, everyday woman. So I'm not trying to, you know, buy a fake, you know, Anastasia palette or anything, but to see y'all coming through like this, and I mean, you can say what you want to, I respect it, and it's quality. And like I said, when I got this, it was like a 4 for 3 special one or whatever. It was cheap, and if I can't afford to get Anastasia or Huda or freaking Fenty and anything else, then I was go to this. I honestly would recommend it. Look, I'm for everybody, and I feel like they are coming for y'all. So and the fact that they're super affordable, that's a problem. So if they keep bringing it like this, so I haven't tried them on I haven't tried them on, but just, I mean, look at this. It's just, I don't know. Let's see. Let's try to do a swatch. I have no one. Let's try Epic. This is Epic. Ooh. This is more of a light. You see Epic. This is nice. This is really nice. All these colors are nice. I said, if you can't go for the high-end, high brand, y'all go to them. Okay, Athena, Bad Habit. This is the last palette that I did purchase, and definitely with them. And then I got this Milani Conceal. I don't know if you can see it. Let's try to focus it in. With my hands in the way. So this is a Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in a number 7 sand. Unfortunately, this was not my color. I could probably use it for a concealer. I might try that. But yeah, I've never really tried Milani products. So I definitely am gonna, it didn't work for my skin tone, but it probably will do good as a concealer. So I might use it for a concealer or give it to somebody I know that might need it. That is my haul. I think that was all I got. I mainly got all those palettes because it was just like the sale was crazy. So, you know, I was really excited about that, but those palettes, yo, I mean, doing that. So I can't wait to bring you more and more. I can't wait to do more collaborations. There's a lot coming, y'all, so y'all just wait and see. So don't forget to like this video and give it a thumbs up, y'all. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. I so much appreciate it. I am very thankful for all the people that have subscribed to my channel, all 113 of you guys. You are all important to me, and I hope that newcomers to the channel, you'll love whatever I bring, and subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell so you can see all the new videos that I will be blessing y'all with. Okay, so I will see y'all later. Bye, you guys.